Hi, my name is Miss Carmen, and I'm here to talk to you about our environment. Our environment consists of anything around us. It could be the sun, the moon, the stars, the earth, your neighbor, the table, the chairs, your teacher. It could be anything around you. As long as you can use your five senses, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching, that means that it is part of your environment. So if I see my neighbor out next door raking the leaves, that is part of my environment. The neighbor, the rake, the leaves, and the fact that the trees are losing the leaves. That's all my environment. Okay, this is a globe of the earth, and it consists of 71% water and 29% land. And a really fun game that you can do with your classroom is toss this globe to the students, and wherever their right thumb lands, either land or water, then you will tally that. So I would turn this over, and we would just do a couple for myself. Okay, so if I toss it up in the air, my right thumb landed on water. So I will put a tally mark on water. And I will toss it up again, and again it landed on water. We will continue to do this until everyone in the class gets a chance. And then you will add your total at the end. Okay? Hopefully your total of the tally marks will total the number of students that have played this game with you. Okay? So another game that you can do is beads. Take 29 green beads and 71 blue beads and put them in a small bag where the students can't see through. And have the students pull out a bead, one each, and then have another student in the classroom take the water beads, which are blue, and the land beads, which are green, and put them onto this, the pipe cleaners. And when everyone in the classroom is done picking a bead, and again, the number of beads total should add up to the number of students in the classroom. It is a great example to see how many water beads compares to the number of times your thumb, the right thumb, hit the water on the globe. It's a great comparison. Another activity that you can do is give the students this water use chart. And things on this chart are like washing hands, brushing teeth, taking showers, flushing the toilet, and so on. Have them spend the day putting tally marks in the boxes and have them count up at the end, and they can see how much water they actually use. Another fun thing is to talk about Antarctica and ask them if it is ice, land, or water. And then you can talk to them about when the ice melts, what happens in the oceans and how does it affect the land. And one way is that the land will, the water will get higher and the land will eventually be less and less. Another phenomenon with this is that as the ice melts, the water gets warmer and it creates more hurricanes from the oceans. And that weather then affects us. For example, just recently we had a hurricane come through and hit into the upper northern United States. And that was a great example for me when teaching this class because they got to see that yes, there was a hurricane, but this is how it happened. So what we do with our environment affects everything. So I asked the students how they can change what we do here on Earth to help the water from not melting, helping to reduce pollution, and how to reduce the amount of CO2 that we put in the air, and how much nitrogen we can reduce from our environment as well. I really had fun doing this lesson, and I think the kids really enjoyed it as well, and I think they learned a whole lot. Thank you.